Welcome to our video on the AI intelligence platform for HR leaders. Today, we will explore how AI helps HR leaders solve real challenges and make faster, smarter workforce decisions. HR leaders face several key challenges today: managing employee attrition, identifying skill gaps, improving employee experience, ensuring succession readiness, reducing hiring bias, and making data-driven workforce decisions. With growing teams and complex talent landscapes, manual processes are no longer enough. That's where our AI-powered HR solution comes in. Here are the top features of the platform: attrition prediction, succession planning, employee surveys and sentiment insights, JD/CV matching, course recommendations, Ask HR Bot, and Power BI workforce dashboards. First is employee attrition: who is at risk, why they are at risk, and what actions can be taken. Attrition can happen due to resignation or retirement. The CHRO can view overall workforce health and identify how many employees are at critical risk. Risk segmentation is also available to show who falls into high, medium, or low risk. Based on this, leaders can make informed decisions. Then, we have metrics for all employees and the factors behind attrition. It shows department, role, risk probability, risk category, and experience. To create these metrics, we have included all major attributes and factors for AI to calculate risks. It uses advanced predictive modeling and statistical techniques to identify who is at risk and why. All attributes are placed based on their impact priority, like age, income, satisfaction, and experience, as common high-impact factors. You can also see graphical representations based on age or department. Now comes succession planning. When a critical resource or senior employee retires or resigns, the company loses a valuable asset. Our platform identifies successors, scores their readiness, and highlights skill gaps for the role. Here, you can see that a man is retiring, and these are the potential successors for that role. The CHRO can make decisions based on the readiness score. We also show employees who are retiring soon along with their details and who can be the best successor for each role. CHRO can compare candidates and choose who fits best. Next is employee surveys and ESAT metrics. CHROs can capture all feedback here and see top areas, improvement ARs, and employee suggestions. They can also view satisfaction levels department-wise or team-wise. Sentiment analysis is also included. This helps leaders understand how employees feel, why they feel that way, and what actions can improve the employee lifecycle. Then we have JD/CV matching. This is a great way to reduce manual effort, eliminate bias, and save time. It is GenAI powered and returns the most relevant CVs based on the job details provided. Next is the Smart Course Recommender. CHROs can suggest courses to any employee and check where employees may be lacking. Then we have the Ask HR Bot. It provides quick insights. Just ask questions or upload documents in natural language, and it gives instant results. Here is one example. The CHRO can also export or email the details from here. Now we have the Power BI dashboard. Two dashboards: headcount and attrition. Leaders can apply filters and get detailed information about headcount and workforce. The second dashboard gives complete insights about attrition, where all related analytics can be explored. AI intelligence for HR leaders empowers your HR team to take proactive, data-driven decisions and create a stronger, more engaged workforce. Want to know more? Contact our team today. Email us at marketing@bizmetric.com. Subscribe to us at Bizmetric Official and visit our website www.bizmetric.com. Thank you for watching.